No. There's pictures there. Should be pictures.
G'day furry friends, doing a floor patch up today. I start off by getting rid of the old floor by cutting it out, cleaning it up and getting it ready for a new floor. I can only lay one floorboard at a time. I've nearly finished laying the floor in the laundry. I just got to put a couple of more in, but at the moment they're looking really good. I've used all of these tools, the hand planer, the battery planer, the hammer drill, the grinder, I mark both sides of the board so I can cut out the tongue and groove. I use a grinder with a saw blade on it to do this, and because I'm on site I don't have a table saw. I know using the grinder like this is dangerous, but it's the most efficient way of getting the job done while on site. I only cut off one side of the groove so the floor will go down and match together. I've cut the tongue off and groove only on certain sections of the board and left the rest on. I glue and hammer the floor down. In some cases I use the fixing gun just to hold it in place. only got one board to go down, and that finishes off patching the laundry floor.
Next thing we do